Alright, to change the IP address of the Presscommander to match the range of your touchscreen, open up DeviceInstaller. It's going to search for all the Lantronix devices on your network. In this case, look and see that you got the MAC ID matching your commander. And in this case, this IP address, this is the currently coded IP address. So I'm going to change that IP address to a different range. So it comes up and you can see the IP address of 192.168.0.141. If you want to change that, you go into Telnet configuration, connect, hit the screen and hit enter. And then now we're going to hit 0. We want to hit 0, so we open up the keyboard, hit 0, enter. And then it's immediately starting with the IP address. So now you can change that if you want to change it, or hit enter to go through. But this is the IP address of the commander, so we're just going to hit enter to go through, but that would be where you do it. And then don't change anything else, just hit enter to go through the rest. And then when you're done, hit 9, enter, and then that will reboot the router, and it'll have the new IP address when it comes up. That's it.